video yan? Kapatid? O din? Hindi na nakakita.
So, hey guys, it's Ray.
Lala ka na.
Welcome to my show again. Today we're in the, I don't know, but it looks like Macau. Just seriously, just take a look. Or Venice. Or Venice. We're in Venice Mall. That looks like Macau.
Hindi nyo napansin na pinuan.
And over here. Stop it. So, we're now in the bridge. As you can see, we're really in the bridge. We're really in the bridge. So, no kidding. So, we just feed the pigeons, which I'm gonna feed them later because all the pigeons, you know, went up in the building. And over here on my other side tried pushing me. Yep. See? As you can see, there's so many people, and so I'm not joking. See? There's someone in my back. Seriously. And now, my sister is taking a picture with her. See? They're selfieing. First, we're gonna take a selfie. No kidding, machirilid.
Tumahabol pa ako dyan, no?
Told ya.
Just, she looks like pig.
You also look like a pig.
No?
And this side is the water and some buildings. And now she's gonna take me, and my mom's gonna take me a picture. Told ya. So I'm gonna ask her, Mom, where are we gonna go after the bridge? Can we feed the pigeons?
Later.
So we're gonna feed the pigeons later. Which I'm a little bit scared of pigeons because they poop anytime that they want. That's what I'm afraid of. So whenever you feed the pigeon, be careful. Put the helmet. Do not put the helmet.
Marunong ka mag-selfie gano'n para kasama.
No. Selfie.
Honey. Kasama ba yung view?
Told you.
2 times total.
Mahulog ha, yung cellphone.
Hey guys, I have a question for today to you. Is my mom pretty? Let me know in the comments down below.
No.
Seriously. Comment down below if she's pretty or not.
Times up.
Thumbs up when he is annoying.
Yep.
And thumbs down when he's not annoying. Me, it's... That's my brother. Our driver. See? He always laughs. He always laughs, so be careful of him.
And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
And comment.
I said that.
And she said that.
See?
See?
I know the future. It's always a thumb up. That's my AI. Let me know if she's also pretty in the comments down below.
Got it.
Wait.
Got it.
Awkward.
Not that awkward. No offense.
Oh. Mababalyan tayo sa mga. Oh.
They're taking a selfie.
Sila mo yun, yung mundo natin. Dennis, talimik ko lang.
Come on. So we're now going down the bridge.
We're gonna go out in the bridge.
You